What is the bird has something in its mouth? I think the bird's trying to feed my cat. My cat's been very skittish of going outside lately. She kind of just lays outside. But lately she hasn't. What's going on? Oh my god, what's happening? Oh, this magic is happening. I don't want to get too close. My cat won't not look at that bird. She's an old girl. I think she's like... They've been doing this for a few minutes, and I thought I would like throw up the camera. I'm pretty sure this bird's pulling my cat. My cat's like, leave me alone. Am I a bad person for allowing this to happen? We'll give it a little bit more. Okay. I feel like my cat is content right now. Come on. I feel like my cat's under the chair for shelter. The bird can't get it under the shelter. Like it lacks vision. My cat, in the early days, did used to hunt the birds. My mom would put out bird seed, and then my cat would kill the birds. Okay. Is there anything in that mouth? Okay, I'm coming in. Get out of here. Get away from my cat. It's okay. It's okay, Tosh. Is the bird beating you up? Yeah. Get out of here, bird. Yeah, get out of here. It looks like my cat's okay. Normal meowing. This is normal, people. She's a good kitty. Yes, you are a good kitty. Oh, God, she's so warm. So warm, and she likes to sunbathe. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching.